Hi everyone, now I am going to tell about Verb 1, Verb 2, Verb 3 forms. Go, went, gone, come, came, come, play, played, played, eat, ate, eaten, drink, drank, drunk, write, wrote, written, read, 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 say, said, grow, grew, grown, run, ran, run, tell, told, told, keep, kept, know, knew, known, feel, felt, felt, help, helped, think, thought, teach, taught, sing, sang, dance, danced, poured, watch, watched, sweep, swept, scolded, kick, kicked, liked, talked, speak, spoken, closed, opened, finished, pulled, pushed, learnt, met, sent, built, found, understood, walked, paid, put, cut, called, blamed, studied, stopped, break, broken, catch, caught, looked, heard, hurt, forgiven, make, made, write, wrote, written, win, won, sit, sat, stand, stood, leave, left, sleep, slept, bring, brought, buy, bought, sell, sold, ring, rang, get, gotten, ask, asked, walked, laughed, cried, cooked, showed, shown, pinched, beaten, jumped, prayed, arranged, burnt, died, arrived, reached, advised, became, bite, bitten, bent, borrowed, drive, drove, cleaned, choose, chosen, changed, hide, hidden, spend, spent. Can you do like this? Thank you.